Guys, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of our newest videos. Yeah, so guys, if we talk about this size, the unusual size of this magnetic cube, you'll see it's much smaller than the size of a Shinshu cube. Look at this. And then it's kind of a sculpture for the corner pieces, and you can see the bent shape. It's not straight, it's bent. And other than that, the gaps, if you notice, there are more gaps here rather than in the Shinshu cube. So actually that helps in the speed of this cube, as you can see. So the speed I'll talk about is very nice. It's actually good, and if you see this, actually I've removed the ball bearings from my Shinshu, and it's not that good. I'll tell you not to buy. Look at this. It's not that fast. This one is rather a faster cube. So I've seen several cubers make this Wingy magnetic their mains for WCA events. So I'll recommend to make this a main because this is a very nice cube. The hold here, I don't have the hold. Look at this. It's not that easy, but here you can easily hold it so you can do sledgehammers and backhammers. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Make sure you like this video, leave your comments in the comment section, and subscribe to FuroCubing. So bye bye. So if I talk about the size, I think this one it feels a bit small and it fits in your hand really perfectly, if you are of my age.